In this video we discuss method of separation of variables. In this method we can solve the partial differential equation. For example, if we consider the differential equation dou u by dou x equal to 2 into dou u by dou t plus u, here u is a dependent in terms of two independent variables x and t. To find the solution, we have to assume u as the product of two functions consisting of two independent variables, and then we have to find the required partial derivatives involved in this differential equation, and then we have to reduce this partial differential equation into two ordinary differential equations. If we solve that two ordinary differential equations, we get the required solution for a partial differential equation. Let us see an example on this method. Solve dou u by dou x equal to 2 into dou u by dou t plus u comma u of x comma 0 equal to 6 e power minus 3x by the method of separation of variables. So here they are asked to solve this partial differential equation by using method of separation of variables. Since u is a function, that is u is a dependent variable in terms of x and t, so to find the solution we have to take or assume u equal to x into t, where x is nothing but a function in terms of x and t is nothing but a function in terms of a variable t. Then we have to find the partial derivatives involved in this differential equation. In the differential equation we are having the derivatives dou u by dou x. So we have to find dou u by dou x, and then we have to find dou u by dou t. Dou u by dou x equal to here x dash into t. Similarly we have to find dou u by dou t. That is, we have to partially differentiate u with t, which means x into t dash. After finding these derivatives, we have to put this in the given equation. So since they have given the differential equation as dou u by dou x equal to 2 into dou u by dou t plus u, then this equation will reduce it to the form x dash t equal to 2 into dou u by dou t means x into t dash plus u means x into t. Now we have to separate x variables and t variables. If we separate x and t, we can write it as x dash by x equal to 2 into t dash plus t by t. Now we have to reduce this into two ordinary differential equation. So for that let it be some k. Then we get the two ordinary differential equations, that is x dash by x equal to some k and the 2 into t dash plus t by t equal to k. Now we have to solve this two ordinary differential equations. Suppose if we consider x dash by x equal to k, if we apply integration on both sides, we get log x equal to kx plus some constant, let it be some c1. Then we get x equal to c1 into e power kx. Is the simplified form of log x equal to kx plus log c1. Similarly, we have to consider another ordinary differential equation, that is 2t dash plus t by t equal to k. We can also write it as 2 into t dash by t equal to k minus 1. We can also write it as a t dash by t equal to k minus 1 by 2. Now to solve this differential equation, if we apply integration on both sides, then we get log t equal to k minus 1 by 2 into t plus some constant, let it be log c2. That is, we can write this in the simplified form as t equal to c2 into e power k minus 1 by 2 into t. So after getting this x and t, now we have to find u. So y means we have assumed u equal to x into t. Now put this x value and this t in the assumed u. Now if we put 2 and 3 in equation 1, then we get u equal to c1 e power kx into c2 e power k minus 1 by 2 into t. We can also write it as c into e power kx plus k minus 1 by 2 into t. If we assume c1 into c2 as a c. So which is nothing but the required solution, but here they asked to find the solution under the condition u of x comma 0 equal to 6 into e power minus 3x. So we have to use that condition in order to find the arbitrary constants involved in this solution. That is, we have to estimate the c and k value here. So for that here we have to put t equal to 0. So for that consider it as some 4 and put t equal to 0 in equation 4. Then we get u means u of x comma t, that is u of x comma 0 equal to c into e power kx plus k minus 1 by 2 into 0. So which is nothing but here u of x comma 0, that is given that they have given that u of x comma 0 equal to 6 into e power minus 3x. So put that value here. Then we get 6 e power minus 3x equal to c into e power kx. Now to find this arbitrary constant c and k, if we compare the terms, then we get c and k value. On comparing, we get c equal to 6 and k equal to minus 3. After getting this arbitrary constant values, we have to put these values, that is, we have to put c equal to 6 and k equal to minus 3 in equation 4 to get the solution in terms which is free from arbitrary constants. Then we get u of x comma t equal to 6 into e power minus 3x minus 2t, which is the required solution for the given partial differential equation under the given condition.